Unit number 1, Fluid Power System and Fundamentals. Fluid, liquid and the gas. Power means rate of doing work. Hydraulic versus pneumatic. The fluid power is divided into two areas, hydraulic and pneumatics. Hydraulic is the transmission of power through a liquid, most commonly petroleum based oil. Pneumatic is the use of gas, usually air. The fundamental difference between the air and the oil is that air is compressible while oil is relatively incompressible. This is a basic diagram of fluid power system, or it is an example of fluid power system. Here we can see the hydraulic crane. Okay, this is an example of hydraulic crane. Here there is a one reservoir. Again there is a pump, pressure control valve. There are four direction control valves and four actuators. Definition of fluid power system. Fluid power is the technology that deals with the generation, control and transmission of power using pressurized fluid. Main objective. This force and motion may be in the form of pushing, pulling, rotating, regulating or driving. If the compressed fluid is a gas, it is called as pneumatic. While if the compressed fluid is a liquid, it is called as hydraulic. As an engineer, do you know the meaning of hydraulic? The word hydraulic is the derivative of the Greek word. Hydro means water, olis means tube or pipe. Basic component of fluid power system. Reservoir or receiver, pump, compressor, valves, that means direction control valves, pressure control valves and flow control valves. Actuators, it converts the fluid power to the mechanical power. This is piston and cylinder. The applications of fluid power system. There are many applications of fluid power system such as mobile, industrial, aerospace, automation, food processing industries, press tool, robot, textile, in automobiles, aircraft, etc. Do you remember the Pascal's law? It states that the pressure exerted anywhere in the confined fluid is transmitted equally in all directions throughout the fluid. The basic idea behind all the hydraulic system is based upon that principle and can be simply stated as force applied at one point is transmitted to another point using incompressible fluid. There is a force F1 and second force is F2. The area of small size is A1 and larger is A2. So that there is a formula is F1 upon A1 equal to F2 upon A2. The function of hydraulic oil. It transmits the power, it lubricates the moving part, it seals the clearance between the moving parts, it dissipates the heat. This is some applications of basic components. Hoses to connect the components. Okay, here piston reverse movement is not possible, so we need to add the direction control valve to regulate the flow as per the requirement. Okay, second is there are mainly two design principles for the valves: the spool valve and the poppet valve. Here the control valve is at neutral position. In second case, now the control valve is shifted towards the left side so that the liquid is sucked by the pump is supplied to the piston end. So the piston starts moving in forward direction as shown in yellow arrow. Okay, and the remaining oil will return to the tank. In next case, the piston is shifted towards the right side so that there are the crossed arrow, so the Oil is sucked by the pump, is supplied to the rod end of the cylinder, then piston starts moving in backward direction and the remaining oil from the piston end is returned to the tank. Another example of the hydraulic system is dump trucks or the tippers. Dumper with the telescope and the hydraulic steering. Here, uh, dumper is used with the telescopic cylinder and the steering of this vehicle is hydraulic steering.